What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to share Capcut project with another person. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Capcut application. Once you're there, open a project. And suppose you just want to share it with another person. So just tap on the export icon on the upper right corner. Once the exporting is done, you can see there are several options to share to TikTok, Instagram or Instagram stories or WhatsApp or Facebook. And if you want to share on other platforms, just click on other. And there goes the options in which you can just share your and there goes the option in which you can share your Capcut project. And yeah, this is it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.